Why water temperature matters when washing clothes. When deciding on the water temperature for washing clothes, consider the following. Fabric type. Delicate fabrics like silk or wool should generally be washed in cold water to avoid damage. Sturdier fabrics can handle warmer water. Stain type. Tough stains may require warm or hot water for effective removal. Always check the care label and any stain treatment recommendations before choosing the water temperature. Detergent instructions. Different detergents have specific temperature recommendations for optimal effectiveness. Follow the instructions on the detergent packaging. Energy efficiency. Using cold water for washing clothes is generally more energy efficient, as heating water consumes a significant portion of the energy used in washing machines. Color fastness. Hot water can cause colors to bleed or fade, so consider using cold or warm water for brightly colored or patterned items. In modern washing machines, you can often select the desired water temperature based on the type of load you're washing. Many detergents are formulated to work well across a range of temperatures, so choosing the appropriate water temperature for your clothes and their specific needs can help you achieve the best cleaning results while preserving the longevity of your garments.